Estimation. In our daily life, we come across several numbers. Sometimes we do not state the exact number as an answer to the question, which requires us to tell about how many. Instead, we put forth a number which is the nearest multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000, etc. This is known as rounding the number to the nearest 10 or 100 or 1000. When we do not need to know the exact number, we work with rounding numbers. Rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Exactly 67 books are there in the rack. If you do not need to know the exact number, you can round 67 to the nearest 10. 67 is between 60 and 70. It is nearer to 70. You can say that about 70 books are there in the rack. Steps for rounding a number to the nearest 10. Examine the digit at one's place. If the digit at one's place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. If the digit at one's place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Rounding numbers to the nearest hundreds. Round 536 to the nearest hundred. 536 is nearer to 500 than to 600. To the nearest hundred, 536 is rounded to 500. Steps for rounding a number to the nearest hundred. Examine the digit at tens place. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, then replace each one of the tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. If the digit at tens place is 5 or greater than 5, increase the hundreds digit by 1 and replace each one of the tens and ones digits by 0. Rounding numbers to the nearest thousands. Step for rounding a number to the nearest thousand. Examine the digit at hundreds place. If the digit at hundreds place is less than 5, then replace each one of the digits as hundreds, tens and ones places by 0 and keep all the other digits as they are. If the digit at hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, increase the digit at thousands place by 1 and replace each one of the digits at hundreds place, tens and ones place by 0. Round off 8287 to the nearest thousand. The given number is 8287. Its digit at hundreds place is 2, which is less than 5. So replace each one of the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place by 0 and keep the remaining digits as it is. Therefore, rounded number is equal to 8000. Estimation. Estimating sums. For estimation of the sum of given numbers, we round off the given numbers and find the sum. Example 1. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Also, find the actual sum. Solution: 74 plus 38. Estimated sum: 70 rounded to 70 plus 38 rounded to 40. 70 plus 40 is equal to 110. Actual sum: 74 plus 38 is equal to 112. Thus the estimate differs from the actual sum by 2. Estimating difference. Example: estimate the differences 592 minus 482 to the nearest hundred. Also find the actual difference. Solution: 592 rounded to 600 minus 482 rounded to 500. 600 minus 500 is equal to 100. Actual difference: 592 minus 482 is equal to 110. Thus, the estimate differs from the actual difference by 10.